For some of you who are in a career transition or applying for your first placement, you may have experiences that aren't the most relevant to your field of interest, and that's okay. A common concern I'll receive from folks is whether or not to include that experience, and if you do, how do you talk about it? The short answer is yes. If you have space on your resume, I'd recommend including it. However, when you're describing your responsibilities or duties under your work, volunteer, extracurricular, or academic experiences, you want to focus more on how work gets accomplished and not what gets accomplished in terms of results, responsibilities, or deliverables. For example, if you want to speak to your presentation skills, don't focus on what you presented, but focus on the how. And in this case, perhaps it's on the audience engagement side of things through the use of techniques such as analogies, body language, and voice inflection. With this in mind, be intentional with the action verbs you use in your resume statements to reflect the skills sought out by employers. Following the same example, you could use verbs such as presented, facilitated, and engaged to reflect your presentation skills. Lastly, remember to communicate how you performed a duty or responsibility in a resume statement. Think of the transition by plus the verb. For instance, by collaborating, by translating, by scaffolding.